provide needs of our existing clients. Anything that will put or make their business into, in digitize or di-digitize ang business nila. Hindi tayo ma-absent kasi innovate your business. 6 reasons why you should start your own business. As much as possible, you apply. While break natin ngayon, katatapos natin mag-coach from Japan, Ma'am Roida, nagkaroon kami ng online coffee session with the Rockstar kasi gusto niya lang makipag-coffee sa akin eh. Thank you, Ma'am Roida from Japan. Alright, so break natin. Ito, stop natin. Isang simpleng pagkain. So I just want to show you how did I start 2 businesses na based from 2 strategies. So, sa lahat naman gustong magkaroon ng negosyo, there are 2 strategies na gusto kong ipakita sa inyo. Okay? So, ano ba yung nagawa natin? Isa pa. O 2 businesses na nilaunch natin recently. Okay? So, first is ito, pakita ko sa inyo ha. Yan. So, this is my Ecom Express with partnership. Ang partner natin si Ma'am Joyce Yu. Okay? So, by the way, subscribe sa kanyang YouTube channel. It's Joyce Yu. Okay? So, ang Ecom Express namin is, na-build ko siya through partnership. Nagkaroon kami ng brainstorming. Siya, tsaka yung husband niya, Sir CJ. Hi, Sir CJ. So, mga business partners natin sila. Then, what we did is, kailangan namin ng isang idea. So, nagkaroon kami ng business idea na magkaroon ng Ecom Express. That is to provide needs of our existing clients. Marami kasi na gustong magpagawa ng, they want to digitize their business. So, they need posters, different marketing tools, they need social media manager, they need Facebook ads manager, they need logo, they need graphic artist, so something like that. Anything that will put or make their business into, in digitize or di-digitize ang business nila. So, that's why we came up with this business concept. That is, we're doing also online shops sa Shopee, sa Lazada, website, YouTube channel. So, yan yung mga ginagawa namin. So, let me show you ito yung mga products namin. Alright, so yan, website. So, yan ang aming gagawin. If your business needs website, so, yan ang aming details. Message na lang kayo sa details. Then, marketing tools, like basic logo, promotional banner, tarpaulin design, promotional video, yan yung mga ginagawa natin, right? And YouTube channel, we'll be doing your channel logo, channel art, intro. If you want to become seller sa Lazada or sa Shopee, you're doing shop photo and cover photo, one shop image, shop description, and like that. Or your FB page, or someone to manage your FB page, yan. We also cater to that, okay? And yon. So, yun yung first business natin. Ecom Express with partnership. So, how did I build that business? So, nagkaroon tayo ng partner. Then, ang mga talents namin, hindi naman kami gagawa. It's not me who will be doing the website or logo. I don't know how to do that, okay? So, and it's not even Ma'am Joyce. Though Ma'am Joyce can do that. Sa amin kasi, sa partnership namin ni Ma'am Joyce with different ventures na ginawa namin, she's more on technical. So, siya talaga nakakaalam ng mga bagay-bagay on technical aspect. But of course, she's busy. She's running her own YouTube channel also. She has her Dr. Spin Laundry shop and nagko-coach din siya. So, marami din siyang ginagawa. Busy. So, that's why ang ginawa namin, ayaw namin kasi sayang business idea. So, we came with this strategy like, naghanap kami ng mga different persons na kayang gumawa ng website, ng promotional videos. So, sa team namin ngayon, we have 4. 5, 6, 6 na eh. Kasi may kahapon, can do design, blah, blah, blah. So, 6 yung kasama namin plus ako. So, 8 kami sa team. Plus 1 pala, yung aming manager, 9. Plus si Kat, 10. So, we're 10 in this business. And, ito kaka-launch lang namin, may client na kami So, it's one school that needs social media manager. Right? So, that can be one of your strategies. Gusto mong magkaroon ng negosyo, pero busy ka, o hindi mo alam kung paano yung mga technical skill, you just partner with other people and hire people. Alright? So, that's first. That's how we came up with Ecom Express. It's actually under GDS Corporate Training. Okay? So, sa lahat ng mga may negosyo, you want to digitize your business, gusto mo mag-improve ang marketing, so just message us. Alright? So, let's proceed with our second business. Right. So, this one naman, meron akong kapartner. The company is Inspire, right? So, ganito. It's an Inspire sa IT management and business solution company. So, ang ginagawa naman po nito is we are providing solutions like data management of your school and private companies. Like ito, may client na kaming isa sa Bulacan, Aquinas School Academy. So, nagawa na siya, nakumuha siya ng enrollment system. So, enrollment system, ID system, library system for schools, ginagawa natin yan. Okay, so, sige, walk through ko muna kayo sa aming partnership. That's Inspire. So, Inspire is our partner. So, bali sila yung provider ng software po namin. Kasi it's still under GDS Corporate Training. Okay, so you see GDS Corporate Training is expanding, okay? So, papunta kami sa IT na hindi naman ako IT expert, okay? So, ito yung kapartner natin, Inspire, alright? Then, okay, so ano ba yung, ito, vision naman nila yan eh. So, yan na natin. So, ito na yung mga naging clients. Just to show you na meron na sila mga existing projects, contracts, with other government agencies and private companies. So, yan. So, galing na sila. Ilocos, Orani, Cabanatuan, yan, Bataan, La Union. So, yan na yung mga nakapartner. Dami na. Na companies and more. Hindi pa lang nila smart. Naging partner din nila. Okay? And, so, ano ba yung mga products ng Inspire? So, yan. Ito yung mga turnover ceremonies, mga IDs. Okay, so ito yung mga products ng Inspire po. Okay. So, iGuard. So, ang iGuard, ito po, for schools and other companies. So, ang iGuard po ganito. Pwede sa school, office, government, store, and more. So, ano ba yung ginagawa ng iGuard? Ang iGuard po, ito yung latest product nila. So, it's a non-contact temperature measurement control. So, ito po yung parang tumigit para madali na lang natin maintindihan. So, di ba pagka sa school, papasok tayo sa school. So, meron po siyang device that can monitor. Hindi ka pwedeng pumasok ng face identification po siya. No? Wala kang face mask. And pagka medyo mataas ang temperature mo, tutunog yung machine. So, hindi ka pwedeng pumasok. So, it's also something like protecting your clients, customer, and protecting your employees. Kasi baka mamaya may pumasok na carrier ng virus o mapaparalyze ang business natin. Okay? Hindi na totally paralyzed, mga 50%, mga something like that, pag may affected sa atin. So, yan po ang isa sa mga latest products nila. iGuard, right? Second is the Dela All-in-One Kiosk. So, ito po yung, nag-avail na to sa, I think, sa Bataan sa Capitol. So, nandito na lahat yan pag nag-thumb mark ka lang or using your ID yan. So, pag ginamit yung ID mo, so makikita mo na identification mo, lahat ng information na gustong ilagay dito ng company, like, dito kasi nakikita na nila yung ilang years na sila dito, sa service, something like that, ilan pa yung leave credits. Ito po ay magagamit ng HR. So, management of your employees. So, nandiyan na lahat ng mga detalye ng inyong empleyado. Okay? Then, of course, we can customize. Kung anong gusto mong details yung kailangan mo sa iyong mga employees, pwede natin i-customize. Okay? And meron din tayong flap barrier. Ito po yun kanina. Yung kanina kasi yung iGuard, pwedeng wala siyang flap barrier. Pero ito, if you want, ayan, nandun yung scanner. Okay. So, ayan. So, hindi pwedeng pumasok dyan. Nakita natin sa video. Hindi pwedeng pumasok yung walang, yung flap barrier. Hindi siya mag-o-open. Wala kang mask o mataas ang temperature mo. Right? So, yan. Sample yan. Okay, so, ito rin yung RFID natin. Yan, so, may facial recognition, temperature checking, and SMS notification. So, ito yung pagpasok ng estudyante, nagme-message sa parents, sabihin, nandito na yung anak nyo, nakapasok na, ganyan din pag-uwi. Okay? Sa mga, school, or other business company also. Alright, so, ito sample, pero, okay, next product natin is, na partner natin ng Inspire is Human Resource Management System. So, ito yung sinasabi natin kanina na lahat ng information na gusto mong malaman sa iyong employees na kailangan ng HR natin, sa accounting din, connected po yan. So, service record, plantilla management, leave management, DTR, monthly hourly rates, shift schedules, and so on. Yan pa yung mga pwede natin pwede natin makita. Or again, we can customize depende sa need ng yung company or depende sa gusto natin data, i-manage na data. Okay? Alright, so yan. Yan po ang ating second business na ino-offer. I did not do the software, wala tayong ganyang, hindi natin ito ginawa, naipag-partner lang tayo. So, second model or way or strategy para magkaroon ka ng negosyo is just to partner with someone, pwede mo na maging provider mo sila. So, sila ang provider ng GDS Corporate Training. So, the reason why we can offer this software, we can offer IT solutions sa inyong company, and private schools, or even government schools, or any government agencies pwede din po, is because we have partner who will provide these services. Okay? So, meron lang kami arrangement in terms of who will close the deal or whatever. So, ngayon, ang usap namin, so, kasi since GDS na siya, we're closing the deals po, or if you have other questions, we can refer you to Inspire, right? Okay, so sa lahat ng mga nasa natin. So sa lahat ng mga private schools or private companies, so you can access this para matulungan kayo manage ang data nyo and also to protect your company. Again, pwede yan sa mga mini groceries or any business na papasok yung customer mo if you want to protect your clients and your customer. And again, to manage your data. Alright? Okay, so that's how you do business. So, kaya yan ang bagong businesses ni Doc D under GDS Corporate Training. Okay, ulitin natin. Have business with partnership and magkaroon ka ng team kahit na remote. Ang team ko sa Ecom Express, one is from Taguig, one is from Olongapo, one is from Clark, Pampanga, Bataan yung isa pa si Sir Aldrin ba Davis?
Davis.
Saan siya?
Manila.
Manila, yeah. So, yeah, yung mga member natin. And dito naman sa Inspire, Bataan, yan ang ating kapartner, okay? Alright, so just message us, okay? And meron pa tayo ng business natin, yung ating e-learning, online courses. Open pa rin po tayo dyan, How to Rockstar Your Life. And may naka-promo tayo ngayon, GTS Coaching Academy. Initial promo natin, kasi birth month ko po ngayon. So, you can join my team. So, kung gusto maging coach for only 4,700 pesos, kasi 47 years old tayo, kaya dapat nandun yung 47. 4,700, hanggang next week lang yan, message lang kayo. And sa online coaching natin, naka-promo din tayo kasi birth month natin for only 1,940 instead of paying 5,000 pesos. Okay? Alright, so maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.